Hello everybody, I'm Kevin from the Blue Beehive team and today I'm here to show you how to remove a green screen from a video using DaVinci Resolve. Now, DaVinci Resolve is a fantastic tool, but I know it can be quite complicated to use if you haven't ever used a video editing tool before. So, for that reason, I'm making this tutorial so you can follow along step by step and do the same thing I do with your own videos. So how about we get started? So the first thing we will need to do is to create a new project by pressing this button right here and then naming our project. I'm going to name it green screen and then press the create button. Now we will be redirected into this page. This is DaVinci's main workspace, and the first thing we need to do is to add the files that we want to use for our video. There are two ways of doing this. The first one is to go to this taskbar up here and select File, Import, Media, and then browse your computer and select the files that you want to use for your video. The second way is to open your Archive Explorer, browse for your files, and then drag and drop them into DaVinci. As you can see, I have my files right here. And if I want to start working on them, I need to drag and drop them into the timeline, which is this area down here. Now, to erase the green screen, the first thing we need to do is to go into the Edit tab, open the Effects panel by pressing this button right here. Don't worry if you don't see it, simply go to Workspace, Show Panel and Workspace and select the Effects button. As you can see, it does the same thing. Now, in the Effects panel, search for 3D here and then drag and drop the option into your video. Next, make sure that Open FX Overlay is selected instead of Transform or Crop. This option will allow you to see the effects being applied to the video while you work on it. Now, to actually apply the effect, we will need to open the inspector by pressing this tool right here and then go into the Effects panel. Now, under 3D Keyer, select the Pick option and start to select the parts of the video that you want to erase. Make sure that you do not select any part, in this case of the rabbit, as that will erase the actual rabbit itself. And once you're done, as you can see, the green has disappeared. The only issue is that there is some green still in the borders of the rabbit. To get rid of those, go to the Effects panel again and select the Despill effect, drag and drop it onto your video. And as you can see, the green has disappeared. Now, if you want to add a background, select the background, drag it into your timeline, make it as long as your video. In this case, I'm going to make a slight zoom in, and then put your video on top of the background. And as you can see, here we have a happy rabbit on a happy background. And that would be everything on how to erase a green screen for a video.